Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an exciting video. I'm going to be swatching, talking about the new JUVIA'S Place nude lip collection. Guys, look at the PR box. It is so pretty. It is called the Nude series, the nude lip collection. So I'm so excited. The devil is a liar. It's when I want to film, that's when trucks wanna disturb me. But anyway, this is how it comes. So we have the lipsticks. These are all the lipsticks. We have the glosses here, and then we have the lip pencils here. So the it comes in this way. We do have 3 sections of the lipsticks. We have the chocolates, the mauves, and we have the peaches. And in each section, I have 4 lipsticks in each section. So I will be swatching them for you guys on my lips and also on my skin. And then we have the lip gloss section here. We have the glass gloss. We have 3 of the glass gloss, and then we have the gloss. So the gloss, they are more pigmented. You don't actually need a lipstick for those ones. So this is it. And then we have 6 lip pencils here. I will be swatching them right now. Talk about what they claim. So it is an hydrating matte formula, so it's not going to be too dry on your lips. It is infused with hyaluronic acid. I can't pronounce, sorry, it's not my fault. It's also preservative free, it's oil free, it's tack free, it's mineral free, and it's vegan friendly, and it's good for 18 months. So I will be swatching all of them. Packaging is so pretty, guys. It's like this ombre pink, you know, lipstick with gold rims around. And then you open them. This is how it looks like, guys. So pretty. Alright, so it smells really good. It smells like vanilla. It smells really good, and it's so creamy, guys. So this is how In Vogue looks on me. I'm sure if I put like a liner, it's going to be popping. So JUVIA said they are creating nude lipsticks, so that means it's gonna show on my skin. It means it's gonna show. It's not just nude. It's still gonna show on my skin, you know. JUVIA'S Place, they never disappoint. So this is how In Vogue looks on my skin. Really pretty. The second lipstick is called LIBRA. So guys, this is how LIBRA looks on me. This is so pretty. Ooh, it's so pretty! Alright, this is how LIBRA looks. This is what they say nude. Nude lipstick that can work for dark skin like me, you know? Ooh! Guys, they are so lightweight, like so creamy, very comfortable. Like, what do you mean? What do you mean? The next lipstick from the Peaches collection is called Me, and that's the name of it. It's called Me. Ooh! 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 Yo! This one is so fine. Oh! I feel like this one I don't even need to wear like lip liner. Yes! See, let me just tell people now, me, I'm very bad with description, so that's why I'm doing this swatches, because I cannot describe to save my life. So sorry for this, okay? This is how Me looks like. It's a deeper version of this one. So the last lipstick from the Peaches collection is called Mademoiselle. I might need a lip liner, but let's see. Oh, this one is KU though, but I do need a lip liner. I do need a lip. So this is how Mademoiselle looks like. We are going to the mauve section. So the first lipstick on the mauve section is called KEBI. Ooh. Ooh. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Oh Lord. Okay, just stop talking and put this lipstick on this girl. You talk too much. This is a nude. This is a nude. This is how it looks like here. This is KEBI. Next will be a mauve moment. Okay, okay. I'm about to have a mauve moment. This is what a mauve moment looks like. All the colors, I can rock them. Like, I mean, which company has ever created a nude lipstick collection that you can rock all of them? Tell me, I'm waiting. So the next one is called CHIC. Okay guys, this is a pretty lipstick, but I'm definitely going to need a lip liner, you know, to make it work for me. But it's still pretty, it's still creamy, it's still popping. Okay, so this is what CHIC looks like. Next will be 2020. Okay, even though 2020 has been trash, I hope the lipstick is popping. Okay, because I'm so done with this year. Oh Lord. Okay, 2020 is not your trash. It's not your trash. Oh, 2020 is cute. And so this is how 2020 looks like on my arm. So now we're going to the chocolates section. So the first is Lady. It's Lady. Oh, oh yes. Oh. Wait, Skelly, just keep quiet. Keep quiet and just put the lipstick on. Okay? You're talking too much. I mean, Lady speaks for itself. I think I'm a lady. What you expect? This is what they call nude. This is what they call nude. Like all my melaninated sisters, if you know you have melanin in your skin and you are looking for a nude that will fit you, and you don't have to worry, you don't have to go and use 100 lip liner to make it work, Lady is for you. Lady right there is for you. Next one is called TOFFEE. This is the perfect chocolate. Just, you know, if you're looking for chocolate in a lipstick form, this is it. Just watch. If you're looking for chocolate, like if you just want, you know, this is the lipstick you will wear when you want to kiss your man. You know, you wear your lingerie, you're almost nude, then you now put this lipstick so that your man will think you don't have anything on your lips, then you kiss him. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is what you wear when you're going to visit your man. You know, just tell him, honey, I thought you said you want me to be nude. Okay, I'm coming. Get ready. Get ready. This is Coyote. This is how TOFFEE looks like. This is, next one is called Muted. Oh yeah. It looks like. And then the last lipstick from the chocolate section, which is actually from the lipstick section, it is Cocoa. Cocoa is beautiful. Stunning. So beautiful, guys. So creamy. Like my lips, I've been swatching them and I haven't put any lip balm. Like it's so beautiful. This is how Cocoa looks like, guys. I am so sorry for my swatch, they are terrible, but this is how Cocoa looks like. And I feel like you can use Cocoa to line your lips and then use the other lipsticks and you will be good to go, guys. Like this is stunning. Hey guys, so we're going to be talking about the lip liners. They have 6 lip liners called the Luxe liners. This one is called Love Me. This is not really going to show up on my skin too much, but I feel like I can use this for my eyeliner and it will be popping, or I can use it as a lipstick because it's actually very creamy as well. This is the swatch for Love Me right there. Next I have this one in Sweet Nothing. So I definitely know Sweet Nothing is not going to show up on my skin. This is Sweet Nothing, guys. So this is how Sweet Nothing looks on my lip. This is Cola. It's a oh yeah, this is really pretty. You can actually use this one to line your lips with the other colors that were kind of like too light, but yeah, it's very pretty. Next one, it is called Lush, and Lush is a mauve color as well. Next we have Scorpio. Okay, Scorpio. And Scorpio, it's a deep burgundy color. So this is how Scorpio looks like lined. It's really pretty. And then the last one is So Rare. So Rare is definitely not going to show up on my skin. It is very, very light, but like I said, you can use it for your eyeliner. Next will be the Glass Gloss. So it claims to be lightweight, non-tacky, long-lasting, high shine, and vegan. And it's also good for 12 months once open. So I'm going to be trying out the first one, which is called It's Electric. Oh yes! So this is how it looks. It's pretty much a clear gloss with gold reflex on it. It's so pretty. I love the detail around here. Oh! Oh my god, guys, my camera is not gonna show it, but it's so pretty. I can actually wear this alone. This is usually me if I'm going to go and see my man. I like to wear lipstick, lip gloss, you know. It's just something sexy about it, you know, when you're like, oh god, scary, PG. But this is how it looks like, guys. It's so pretty. So the second one is called So Glazed, as in like glazed donut. And this one has like pink reflex on it too. It's also really cute. Ooh. Ooh. So this is like an iridescent pink. Yes, this is how it looks like here. Oh god, this is how it looks like. So this one is, it's glass. So this is just a clear gloss, you know. Yes, yes. What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What? Say my lip gloss is cool. My lip gloss is popping. Okay, that's about it. So we're going to the final set of the nude lip collection. This is called Caramel Rose. And this ones, they have like a thicker consistency. It claims to be lightweight, non-tacky, long-lasting, and high shine. It's also good for 12 months too. So you got time. And this is so pretty. This is so pretty. It's like a brown. Yo! Okay, let's get it calm down. Just put the den list. If you talk one more time, I'll slap you. But like, you can actually wear this, you know, if you're a gloss person like me. This is it. You can just wear this, maybe put some liner, and you're good to go. Like, it's so pigmented, you actually don't need it to put on a lipstick. That's how it looks like. Caramel Rose. Next one is called Sis, like sister, sis. And this one is kind of like pink. Okay, not pink. This is like, I don't know, man. Oh, I am not the one to be describing. But this is like my perfect nude lip gloss. Like my perfect nude lip gloss. Like I usually tend to go for colors like this because they are bomb. This is how sis looks like. Next one, I'm almost there guys. I really enjoy doing this. I'm almost there. So this is Kiss Me. This is literally baby pink. It's pink. So this is how Kiss Me looks like. And the final one, this is called Barely There. And this is how Barely There looks like. Alright guys, so we've come to the final end of the swatches guys. So I'm going to talk about the prices. So the lip liners cost $10. The glass gloss and the lip reflect gloss, they cost $13. And then the lipsticks actually cost $14. And you can actually use a code, affiliate code. Please use Fumi's code. It's FUMI Fumi for extra discount. Yes. So far what I think about this collection, Juvia's Place, you guys outdid yourself once again. You guys killed it. Like Juvia's Place, they always kill it. They always like bring it, you know. So yeah, I love this collection. I love these lipsticks. You guys are going to be seeing me rocking them, okay, because they are that good, you know. Like I don't have any complaint. They're very comfortable on the lip. They have a nice comfortable scent. The scents are not like overpowering, you know. Very comfortable, not tacky. You full swipe, one swipe and you get the pigmentation. Like you don't have to keep rubbing, you know. So yeah, that's what I think. Please do check them out. They've launched they launched on the 15th, so go check them out. Buy the collections. I have no regrets. I have nothing to say else. They just, you know, killed it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, like, and you know, let's have a discussion with, I mean, whatever you want to talk about and what else you guys would like to see me review in the future. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.